So a quick update of the flooring here. Most of the times on old homes, you're going to have to level the subfloor to lay your laminate or flooring, because you're going to get low spots. You can see here we have a low spot. We have two low spots here and in that section. So what I went ahead and did, of course, is prep the floor, vacuumed, addressed any nails or screws or staples from the carpet. Vacuum. I'm going to vacuum again right now with my construction shark, the secondary vacuum. So pretty much just vacuum this up. What I did is I put caulking in all the joints so we don't get any leakage when we go ahead and use our self-leveling concrete. And then we're going to make this floor as flat as possible, so when we lay our laminate, it's going to be sound. It's going to be awesome. So run the caulking along the bottom plates there, and then only when you're going to pour, and then I went ahead and used the rest of the caulking, caulked the rest of the joints, and then we are going to add our adhesive here for our self-leveling concrete. We're just going to roll it on with a paintbrush with a roller here, just like that. I'm going to try to get most of the floor here, and then probably all of it, and then go ahead and check the floor again, and just double check before we lay our actual flooring down that everything is how we like it. So here's the closet. Everything's empty in here. I'm gonna do new shelves and stuff, but currently this is where we're at the flooring. Give you a better view there. That's what it looks like, just using a 2x4 to screed the concrete in the low spots, and then we'll come back, and if we need to put more concrete, we can. But get this thing as perfect as possible so we don't have to address anything in the future. So stay tuned to the next video where I'm gonna start laying the flooring in all 3 bedrooms, and we'll go from there.